Welcome back. Now a look at all the international news stories in Worldview. We'll continue to discuss the international news stories with Mr. Shekhar Iyer. Mr. Iyer, let's start with the action going on in Pakistan. We know that there has been a lot of reaction to the attack on Malala Yousafzai, and yesterday, in fact, the Pakistani security agencies arrested 3 brothers of a Taliban commander from Swat during a raid. How do you really look at the kind of public outburst that we have seen and the response not restricted just to Pakistan but even spread across the world?
Yeah, particularly the reaction and the shock that we have seen in Pakistan, that's very reassuring in the sense there is obviously a growing public pressure, public opinion which is building up, and which we are seeing that the Pakistan government is now has asked crackdown on those people and trying to book the offenders, because this is very important. This is very important.
And a very quick action.
A quick action, and already they have arrested one of the brothers of the main accused.
Yeah.
Now it's important for the simple reason that at a time when Pakistan is facing the problem from the local Taliban elements, and who have been actually focusing on the US role and the war on terrorism which is happening on the Pakistan-Afghanistan border. But the fact that they are also shifting focus to on the other issues which has been Taliban has been associated with, particularly their opposition to education of the girl child, their opposition to anything that which they perceive as against their understanding of religion. I mean, this has been going on, and we saw this happening in Afghanistan. And here was this girl, and this girl has been a kind of a young icon in the sense that when she was 11 years old, her diary became very popular because the BBC Urdu service did a program on her diary which explained how